My suggestion is the following.
Mangabana kenda matongoretio ni murugamiriri wa kanjo ya mangabana Martin Wambora ni gatagati ka maabitha aria mekinyitie giikaro-ini giki kia 15 gatagati ga thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti gia kwaririria ukuria wa bururi na ugai wa kigina kuri kaunti. Giikaro-ini giki kiria gitongoragio ni munini wa President William Ruto, atongoria aya ni maririirie mubango wa kaunti wa gukomba mbeca kuma kuri thirikari nene, undu uria urikinyanagirio thutha wa uiguithanio na mbunge cia kaunti.
This is, I think, a welcome development. It is another window that we can use to accelerate infrastructure and matters that can stimulate productivity in counties.
Kaunti ya Laikipia niyo iheanite muhiano wa ngombo ici iria itanyitwo guteithiriria kuhatura kaunti mibango-ini itiganite makiria riria mbeca ciacerithirio kuma kuri thirikari nene.
Laikipia County, as the first ever county to borrow under this framework, will be the platform upon which we can assess going into the future how subnational governments can indeed borrow and how efficient or effective.
Munini wa President William Ruto ni oritia Kenya magitire utongo wa bururi makiria riri urugari wa uteti uthiite na mbere na kwambatira niguo wonjeria ndukanahaguke ni undu wa githurano.
We must, all of us, make the elections less acrimonious, less controversial, so that we can keep the country moving even when we have an election.
We as leaders of Kenya in this time, we must always, in the execution of the mandates of our offices, be able to work beyond, over and above any differences of political opinion.
Ruto oho ni atianirie riboti cia kwirikana ati akoretwo agika kambeini handu ha kuruta wira uria ahetwo ni muingi, akiuga ihinda ria kambeini ritire rirambiriria kuringana na watho.
So when you see me in various parts of the country, it is because I am the deputy president and we have government projects all over the country. And I would, as an officer of government, want to benefit from feedback by the public.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Jitagwa Godani, Wajihia.
Announced by IBC.